how to make more money with Uber. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video. And today we're talking about how to make more money with Uber. I know it's different, but let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, there are a few techniques that I found to be helpful when driving with Uber, okay? And when you want to make money with Uber, okay, you want to be able to maximize your income as much as you can, okay? These tips will actually help you make more money with the Uber if implemented correctly, all right? So definitely follow these steps correctly. If you need the breakdown of the steps, go ahead and check out the blog. The link is in the description. All right. So let's without further ado, let's get it popping, right? All right. So let's go. All right. Number one, bring your own snacks and pack a lunch. All right, or dinner, whenever you're doing your Uber thing. All right. So this is the number one way to keep you from spending money that you don't have, all right? You're out there to make money. You're not out there to spend money, okay? So a penny saved is a penny earned, all right? Pack you a sandwich, pack you some leftovers, you know what I'm saying? Some snacks, some water. Put like maybe buy like a 32 or 24 pack of water, put it in the trunk of the car, you know what I'm saying, so it can stay cold if you want it to be cold. And if, you know what I'm saying, if it's summertime, then you get your cooler and go ahead and stack that cooler up with a whole bunch of waters, okay? That's so you can stay hydrated, stay full, and, you know, keep you from buying stuff, you know? That's what I'm trying to say. Keep you from spending extra money that you don't have. Number two, use Starbucks or Dunkin Donuts for your bathroom breaks. Okay, you're not going to want to always run home. You're not going to be always close to your house to go to the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? So these are the best places I found that that have public bathrooms, especially Starbucks. Dunkin Donuts, but Starbucks is way better. You just walk in, head straight to the bathroom. They're usually nice and clean, so go ahead and do your thing. You know what I mean? And they're usually safe. Okay, so that's the number one thing too: safety, free parking, and cleanliness. All right. Number three, try not to drive around aimlessly. Right? You don't get reimbursed for gas, so you might want to find a central location to park your vehicle in between fares, okay? Plus, think about all that wear and tear on your vehicle, okay? You don't want to have your car in the shop, have to brakes, you know, rotors, tires, you know, axles, all this stuff, shocks, all the stuff that go bad after driving your vehicle for so long and so much, okay? So you don't want to have to put so much wear and tear on your vehicle so fast, all right? Number four, don't follow the herd, all right? If there are too many drivers in the area, you're going to end up not making any money due to the fact that Uber drops the price of a fare based on the amount of drivers in a given area at a given time. So you want to beware it's not that many drivers located, but more people looking for drivers, okay? So basically, say like if you're in the airport and a lot of Uber drivers are gonna be in the airport, all right? So you might not want to be right there in the airport. You might want to go to like maybe one of the local hotels or something like that are in the area. And they 9 times out of 10, these people are looking for Uber drivers to take them to the airport or take them to their friend's house or wherever, you know? So you might want to sit there instead of being directly at the airport, you know, the circle where you got to be in front of the airport. You drive around, you know what I'm saying? Most airports have it where you don't really you can't really sit there, okay? So you just kind of drive through, okay? And you're constantly in the area. You don't want to always be there, okay? Because you're not going to make any money. All right, now, number five. Pass out your business card as much as possible. Okay. All right. If you don't have any other hustle than Uber, you're bugging, okay? Because listen, Uber is not a career job, but it can give you a gateway to building a online business or an offline business for that matter, okay? But we're talking online business because that's what I do, okay? So if you're meeting 5 to 20 people a day while driving for Uber, can you imagine if you introduce just 5 people that you meet to your online business? Okay, you, especially if it's a residual income business, and that's what, that's what I do. I do a residual income business. So, the money comes in month after month after month. Okay, now if you introduce 5 to 10 people to this business, you could make it easy $125 to $500 a month just by introducing people to your business with your business card. Okay. And because the dope thing about it, you'll be able to stop doing Uber in no time with the right online business opportunity, and especially the one that I'm gonna introduce you to, okay? Because it's an automated system that does all the selling and telling for you. So all you gotta do is hand out the card, tell them, hey, if you want to learn how to make money online without having to actually be there all the time, go ahead and check out the link on that card. Boom, there you go. You don't really have to say much, okay? Maybe give them a little bit more detail here and there, but you don't want to give them too much. You want to intrigue them. That's so they could take the card and either sit in their phone while they're sitting in the car and, check out the link while they're in the car, or when they get to their destination. It's just that simple, right? You want to make a different stream of income beyond just Uber, because who wants to drive their car all around all the time? Okay, really, in real life, who really wants to do that? I know you don't. Okay? That's why you're probably watching this video. You want to make as much money as you can, okay? But you don't want to do Uber for the rest of your life, right? Okay? That's it, all right? So all you have to do is click the link below, follow a few steps to set up your system, okay? I'll show you everything from start to finish, okay? I break it down from start to finish. I show you every step by step. Yeah. Step by step. No, but seriously, very easy, very simple. This is your time to make money, okay? So if you want to start an online business that can grow while you're doing other things like driving with Uber or driving with Lyft or whatever it is, click the link in the description or watch the free video, okay? Thanks for watching my video on how to make more money with Uber. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.